I'm a real car.
I'm a real car. I deserve to be with you guys.
Wait for me, guys.
Wait for me, guys. I'm a car.
They're just Caleb, I'm trying to take a video. Stop having it run away. Caleb, a car's coming.
Drive it out of the way. Okay, guys, I'm a real car, so I need you to be on 3, 2.
Caleb. I see word.
It's like, guys, wait up for me.
Where did it go? Seriously, it went. Really? Really, Caleb? I just get over here and he start driving away? Rude. Yeah. Yeah. Drive it into his driveway. No, drive it into his garage.
I know you can make it.
Come on, little car.
So he made it. Oh,
He made it.
I'm a real car. I have to drive out the real way.
You just.
Oh, he's running over its radio.
Oh.
And what? Oh.
Batteries.
Yep. Sadly.
That's annoying.
Since I did. Pretty close.
Pretty. I wish we made this. What if we made this?
Made what?
That car? This little car? What?
That'd be awesome.
Yeah.
Come on.
Oh God, come on, hurry. Hi.
I'm a real car. I have to back out the real way.
Oh God.
I found my new key.
He just falls. I'm not a real car. He's not a real car, Caleb. Just face it. Also, subscribe to me.
I did.
Like it. Go down to Pugmaster 3000 and subscribe.
She had no right to film this.
Yes, I do. I have a right. It's gonna get ran over.
Wow. Look at